Okay, today we're going to walk around a new foreclosure. I just got this property assignment. I just got here and I see that there are stickers in the windows, which means the winterization has been probably done and the preservation company has been inside. So I know the property is vacant, in other words. So I went ahead and walked around real quick, make sure there's nothing out of the ordinary, got the door open, and we're going to walk through it and check it out real quick. And I'll kind of explain to you what's going on with it and what I see. Okay, first things first. One of the neat things about this property is it's at the end of a cul-de-sac. It has 1.2 acres. Just from what I've seen online real quick. The home is all brick, so that's a huge positive. There's no garage, so for some that's a huge negative, but you got plenty of room to build anything out here. You've got this little outbuilding in the back. The roof is going to have to be replaced. There's no questions about that. Pre-insurance, if any other reason, but it's going to have to be replaced. And also, this is a gable roof. Around here, we have a majority of hip and gable roofs, and a real easy way to remember which is which. Think hip is cool, and hip's going to be better on your insurance. Gable roof's going to be a little bit higher insurance. So that's one thing to note and remember. The good thing, this isn't a giant roof, and it's real easy, so it shouldn't be all that expensive to replace it. One thing I'll show you, well, this window has bullet holes, BB holes or something all in it. First glance, you think they're new windows, but they're actually not. On the inside are the original single pane, crappy original windows, and they installed those window covers or exterior inserts. They look good from the outside, and they're definitely better, but the original windows were never removed. I'll show you that in a minute. But you've got this nice little building. Got a concrete slab, power, the built-in shelves. Doesn't look to be in bad shape at all. Like I said, this lot is entirely fenced also, which is really nice bonus. .2 acres though, that's nuts. I mean, we hardly ever see that in this area of town. I mean, this location is about 3 or 4 blocks away from Olive Road in kind of northeast Pensacola. It's really close to Davis Highway, Olive Road. You've got a county retention pond next door, so nobody's going to be building there. They do a little tree trimming with this one, but that's something that's pretty easy. So this home is around 2,000 square feet, a little over 2,000 square feet. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, but it's built in 71, and you can see a lot of it seems to be original. Like the windows and the floor plan. This is the old school floor plan. It does have, I guess this will be your formal living room / dining room area. This house has not been trashed out, so it's full of junk. Your kitchen's gonna have to be totally updated. I mean, it's way old school. You got wood paneling. You've got another little area. I mean, it's a big room. It's gonna all be redone. It's gonna have to be redone, but the whole built-in. So this isn't a split floor plan. Your 3 bedrooms are on this side. There's no power, so I can't really show you too much of that bathroom, but it's a double vanity. Ugly colors. It needs to be all updated. These bedrooms are, are pretty simple. There's really not much to do to them. Flooring, paint, new doors. Get rid of the wood paneling. Another decent sized bedroom. This is your master. This bathroom needs to be gutted and remodeled, but like I said, there's a lot of original here. But this is going to be a textbook fixer-upper. Okay, so there's your 3 bedrooms. On this side of the house, looks like it was once a converted garage. So you have your other family room, living room, whatever. It does have a wood burning fireplace. It's a big room. Here's your utility room. I can go ahead and tell you the hot water tank is going to have to be replaced. If it's over 15 years, it's going to be noted on the 4-point inspection, and the insurance company is going to want it replaced. So that's a definite for insurance. Hot water tank. This is a utility room. It's actually a pretty good size. Walk-in utility room. Like pantry they're using it for. Another thing is you're going to have definitely the inside unit's going to have to be replaced. It looks ancient. All right, well that's it. 2,000 square feet fixer-upper, 3-2. Since both baths need to be remodeled, the kitchen needs to be remodeled. It's going to have a new roof, probably new HVAC. But 1.2 acres, this house could be jammed up. There's a lot to be done with this property. And anybody will tell you that it's not, extremely rare to find this much acreage here in Pensacola, kind of in the heart of Pensacola. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure and like and subscribe to my channel. We're going to see a lot more foreclosures coming out, a lot more properties coming out here in the future. This market here in Northwest Florida is crazy right now. It's just nuts. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Give me a call, send me an email. I'll be glad to help. As always, thanks and have a great day.